Alright, by the end of this video, I will actually share something that is super unique about the ROG Ally. But just taking a first look, let's look at the build quality. It's made of plastic here on the outside and on the back. The handles are also made of plastic. There's a textured kind of grip, and you can kind of see this line right here, which supposedly fits your fingers a little better when you're holding onto it. Super nice. You got two very nice joysticks. They feel very like joysticks, you know. D-pad is not super squishy, feels nice. The buttons are also pretty nice. I gotta say, the inputs on this controller are a little bit nicer than the Steam Deck, which I quite enjoy. These buttons are very, very clicky. The speakers are right here on the front, super simple. On the top here, as you can see, we have the headphone/microphone, the micro SD card slot, this proprietary connector with the USB-C kind of built into it. So that's where you're going to be doing all your charging and display output or whatever. You got your volume up and down and your power button. And something unique, this power button is actually also a fingerprint sensor. You got your vent holes here on the top. So when you're playing, you don't have to worry about this thing getting very hot. I really didn't notice whenever I was using it. You got these back triggers right here, which probably the worst buttons on the entire device, but still work, so I quite like that that's there. This is the input for these out vents, and I think these are Hall effect triggers, which is super nice. So basically what that means is whenever you push down, if you push it halfway, it's going to register as a half push. Push it all the way, it's going to register as a full push. So super, super nice. If you don't know what Hall effect is, look it up, because actually super nice and super cool for gaming. Let's take a look at the actual screen when you turn it on. It is a very nice looking screen. It's also a 144 Hz screen, which is superb for a handheld. It means that whenever you're playing games, I tend to like Rocket League, but when you're playing games on here, for me, Rocket League was playing super smoothly. It felt like playing on the PC, especially with the small screen. You don't need to have it at full settings, and it will look amazing. So, do I recommend the ROG Ally? 100%. I think if you want a handheld that just runs everything you want, basically full Windows on this thing. You can put it in docked mode. Everything that you could possibly do on like a laptop, you can do on this. Just this also has the built-in controller. So super portable, super nice, super handy. I think Republic of Gamers did an amazing job with this thing. Speakers are really nice. I say get it.